How to buy gift cards with Google Play Balance. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you one method for you to buy gift cards using your Google Play Balance. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is make sure that you're already logged in into your Google Play account. Next is open up any web browser available on your end. So say for example, we will be purchasing a specific gift card directly from Amazon. Now let's search for gift cards in here, and then you will have a lot of options here. Now just choose on any or random gift cards available, for example on Uber, and then you will be redirected here. So once you are here, make sure that under the or one of the payment method has been set up into the Amazon or any specific store that you would like to use to purchase a gift card. All you have to do once you click on buy now is just choose on Google Play or Play Store balance for you to be able to purchase it and use your Google Play balance. And just gotta make sure that you have enough fund of the amount that you have on Google Play so that the payment will go through. And that's how you buy gift cards with Google Play Balance.